Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here, reshaping our world. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is driving innovation across industries. This technology is changing how we live, work, and interact with the world. Acquiring AI skills is essential in this era of technological advancement. Google, a pioneer in AI, offers accessible and high-quality AI education. Google AI courses provide a gateway to understanding and harnessing AI's power. Learn from experts, gain practical skills, and join a global AI community. Whether you're a student, professional, or curious, Google AI courses unlock a future powered by AI. Google AI is more than just a suite of courses. It's a comprehensive platform designed to democratize AI education and make it accessible to everyone. It represents Google's commitment to fostering a global community of AI-literate individuals equipped with the knowledge and skills to build a better future. Developed by experts at Google, these courses provide a blend of theoretical knowledge and practical application. The platform caters to a diverse audience, from beginners with no prior experience in AI to seasoned professionals seeking to enhance their expertise. Google AI's mission is clear: to empower individuals and organizations with the knowledge and tools they need to understand, utilize, and shape the future of artificial intelligence. Whether your goal is to build AI-powered applications, leverage AI in your current role, or simply gain a deeper understanding of this transformative technology, Google AI provides the resources and support you need to succeed. Join the movement and become a part of the global community shaping the future of AI. Google AI offers a diverse range of courses, carefully curated to cater to different interests and skill levels. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned AI practitioner, there's a course designed to help you achieve your learning goals. For those new to the world of AI, introductory courses such as Machine Learning Crash Course provide a foundational understanding of core concepts. These courses introduce fundamental concepts like machine learning algorithms, data preparation, and model building, using simple explanations and practical examples. As you progress, specialized courses delve deeper into specific areas of AI, such as natural language processing, computer vision, and deep learning. These courses explore advanced techniques and algorithms, equipping learners with the skills to develop sophisticated AI applications in their chosen domain. In addition to individual courses, Google AI also offers comprehensive learning paths or specializations. These structured programs guide learners through a series of courses, building a comprehensive skill set in a particular AI domain. These specializations are ideal for individuals seeking to develop in-demand expertise for specific career paths in AI. Google AI courses go beyond traditional learning by providing a rich ecosystem of resources designed to enhance your educational experience. From hands-on exercises to real-world case studies, these resources bridge the gap between theory and practice, empowering you to apply your knowledge effectively. One of the most valuable resources is Google's Colaboratory, or Colab, a cloud-based platform that allows you to write and execute Python code in your browser. Colab provides free access to powerful computing resources, including GPUs and TPUs, eliminating the need for expensive hardware and software setups. This accessibility makes it easy for learners to experiment with AI algorithms, build models, and see their code come to life. Google AI also provides access to datasets, pre-trained models, and code examples. These resources allow you to explore real-world AI applications, modify existing code, and build upon established models to create your own solutions. The platform also fosters a vibrant online community, connecting learners from around the globe. Through forums, discussion boards, and social media groups, you can interact with fellow learners, ask questions, share insights, and collaborate on projects. Section 5. From Novice to Expert, Google AI's Scalable Learning Path. One of the most appealing aspects of Google AI courses is their adaptability to different skill levels. Whether you're a complete beginner taking your first steps into the world of AI or an experienced practitioner seeking to deepen your expertise, there's a learning path tailored to your needs. For beginners, Google offers foundational courses that introduce the fundamental concepts of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. These courses use accessible language, real-world examples, and interactive exercises to make learning engaging and easy to understand. As you progress, Google AI provides more advanced courses that delve into specialized areas such as natural language processing, computer vision, and reinforcement learning. These courses explore complex algorithms, industry-standard tools, and techniques used by AI practitioners worldwide. For seasoned professionals, Google AI offers cutting-edge courses that cover the latest advancements in AI research and development. These courses are taught by leading experts in their respective fields, providing learners with valuable insights into the future of AI. Section 6. AI across industries, reshaping the future of work. The impact of AI is being felt across every industry, transforming the way we work and creating new opportunities. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to retail, AI is revolutionizing traditional business models and driving innovation at an unprecedented pace. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new diagnostic tools, personalize treatment plans, and accelerate drug discovery. AI-powered imaging analysis can assist doctors in detecting diseases like cancer at earlier stages, improving patient outcomes. In finance, AI is being used to detect fraudulent transactions, optimize investment strategies, and provide personalized financial advice. AI-powered chatbots are transforming customer service, providing instant support and resolving queries efficiently. The manufacturing industry is leveraging AI to optimize production processes, improve quality control, and predict maintenance needs. AI-powered robots are automating repetitive tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative tasks. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on industries will only become more profound. Section 7. Success Stories, Real People, Real Transformation with Google AI. The success stories of individuals who have transformed their lives with Google AI courses are a testament to the power and impact of these programs. These individuals, from diverse backgrounds and with varying levels of technical expertise, have leveraged Google AI to upskill, change careers, and make a tangible difference in their respective fields. Take, for example, Sarah, a marketing professional with no prior coding experience. After completing the Google AI for Marketing course, she was able to implement AI-powered solutions that significantly improved her company's marketing campaigns, leading to increased leads and conversions. Another inspiring story is that of John, a software developer who wanted to transition into the field of AI. After completing the deep learning specialization, he landed his dream job as an AI engineer at a leading tech company, where he now develops cutting-edge AI applications. These stories highlight the transformative potential of Google AI courses. They empower individuals with the knowledge, skills, and confidence to embrace the opportunities presented by the AI revolution and create a positive impact in their chosen fields. Section 8. Investing in your future, free and paid learning options. Google AI understands that accessibility is crucial in democratizing AI education. That's why they offer a range of learning options, including both free and paid courses, to cater to different needs and budgets. Many of Google AI's foundational courses are available for free, allowing learners to gain a basic understanding of AI concepts without any financial commitment. These free courses provide a valuable entry point for individuals who are curious about AI and want to explore its potential. For those seeking a more comprehensive learning experience, Google offers paid courses and specializations that provide a deeper dive into specific AI domains. These paid programs often include personalized feedback, mentorship opportunities, and industry-recognized certifications, enhancing the learning experience and career prospects of participants. The cost of paid Google AI courses varies depending on the length and depth of the program. However, Google offers financial aid and scholarships to make these programs accessible to learners from all backgrounds. Section 9. Your AI-powered career. Unlock new opportunities. In today's job market, AI skills are in high demand across industries. Completing Google AI courses can significantly enhance your job prospects. These courses equip you with industry-relevant skills and provide a recognized credential. The knowledge gained can open doors to exciting career paths, including AI engineer, data scientist, and machine learning engineer. By investing in Google AI courses, you're investing in a future-proof career with endless possibilities.